just me and you. So let the wheels turn, let the wild wind blow. With every mile, our spirits grow, raising a toast to the stories untold. Together as one, we are strong and bold. From Maryland's hills to the open road, veterans and civilians, together we go. In the name of support for all that we share, a brotherhood forged in the midnight air. With stars above and engines loud, we ride for the heroes, we make them proud. Each dollar raised shows our endless